You can add a search bar to your Mapme map, and it will recognize any word included in the name, address, or description. Tracking the keywords your users search for can give you valuable insights and help you better match their needs. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a report of the search terms used on your map. Follow these steps. Go to the Explore tab in Google Analytics. Click the plus sign at the top to create a blank report. Choose the date range you want to analyze. Next, add the Mapme dimensions. Go to the Custom tab and select all the Mapme dimensions. Then click Confirm. Now add the metrics. Open the Event section, select Event Count, and click Confirm. To see the keywords used, add the Mapme search terms dimension to the rows and expand the list to 50 values. Add Event Count to the Values section to display how many times each term was searched. You'll now see a list of keywords on the left and the number of times they were searched on the right. That's it. You can now review what your users are searching for. Give it a try, and if you have any questions, reach out through the chat.